The world is urbanizing faster than ever. Consumer and institutions have become more demanding. In this complex landscape, rules of building a masterpiece have changed. Starworth has been always ahead of curve because of our deep expertise in construction and latest building material and timely adoption of new technology. Today, we are evolving. We have created a business model that empowers our customers to have high quality products with optimum cost and time. We call this model as Imagine, Innovate and Integrate. Imagine is how we apply design thinking to the blueprint before construction to achieve comfort and sustainability.
Once the architectural design is given to us, we can complete the design of any project end to end, including MEP. We also do the design for precast, prepare the precast shop floor drawings, get it validated by any third party like IIT, and also do the formwork design. As a design team, we have almost 30 professionals, which gives us an overall experience of more than 100 years.
Innovate is how we apply our deep expertise to solve real construction problems in most novel and advanced way.
Our expertise and ability to innovate allows to tailor the work methodology to suit the client's architectural imagination. We have stretched our technical expertise to deliver the sophisticated outcomes.
Our quality engineer get it right first time and enhance quality at all the stages. We do this by implementing proper methodology and work inspection.
This is the earth-hammer P60, and where the area is insufficient and precise, this equipment can be used very easily comfortable, and this is very precise equipment. This is digimetric micrometer, and this is we are using for checking all the incoming material to find out the accurate thickness.
With this type of tools implemented, we achieve a high quality, less tolerance and zero rectification.
We wish to achieve all our construction without plastering and grinding by optimal usage of quality formwork system and concrete technology. While doing so, we also benchmark ourselves with the best practices in health, safety and environment across the globe. last part of our business model is integrate, which means we do everything end to end. Everything we do under one umbrella, so that our customers can be rest assured from end-to-end solution to their construction needs.
Purva West End is an example. From excavation to civil works to handing over to customers, including MEP, we have done it all, end to end. We have 735 units with 6.9 million safe man days.